Hi, it's Delina, and I want to just personally invite you to our Mandala Journal group that's going to start August 8th. It's going to be online and go for 4 weeks. And in this mandala class, this is not about making perfect mandalas and learning how to use rulers and compasses, and it's not about coloring pages either. And while all of those have their place and they're wonderful for different reasons, what I'm really going to be talking about is how to start making your own intuitive mandala drawings and then begin to interpret those. So if you are feeling stuck, if you're feeling like talk therapy has just run you around and around, and you're really wanting to go deeper within yourself, or maybe you're somebody who's already on that deep journey and you want to keep going, this is really the class for you, because we're not only going to talk about kind of a little brief piece about the history of mandalas and the use of in sacred and healing ceremony, but we're also going to come into how to draw your own, how to free yourself up, and then how to begin to learn the secret language of the unconscious. We're going to be learning about the different colors and how the colors have multiple layers of meaning, not just one meaning, not just one cultural meaning, but many, many layers on archetypal and cultural and personal and universal symbols. And then we're also going to be learning about the different shapes that we can find in the mandalas and what those different shapes will mean. The third piece is really connecting you to your own intuition so that you can start to trust what you see in your own mandala. So I am so excited to see this course happening for the very first time. We are going to be on Zoom, and it is 5 to 6 p.m., but I'm going to be recording all of the sessions, and then you're going to be able to get a recording link so that you can watch them if you can't join us live, but you can watch them yourself later. You can watch them over and over. So really, I just encourage you to join us. It's going to be so much fun, and you just need a little bit of paper and maybe some sketchbooks or some oil pastels, and we're on our way. So definitely check out that link for Mandala Magic, and then go ahead and sign up, because it is a great value for 4 full sessions, and I'm giving you all of the interpretive mandala experience that I have been studying and training in officially for 25 years. I use mandalas with my clients all the time, and you're gonna love it.